Sunday. It is the 22nd of March, and I am going to make my very first coffee with my Nespresso coffee machine. And yeah, guys, let's unbox together actually. So this is let me put you guys close. We have this where you can obviously put some water. Oh. This is the one that you can use to pour some water. And then we also have oh, it's a bit heavy. She is absolutely stunning. Like, I also have these just put together. And then this came and if you put this here, they also got me these they also got me coffee capsules. Let's see which ones they have. Different flavors. Try Voltesso, Orafio, Altiso, and I don't know which one I would like to try. Espresso, Voltesso. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. But they also got me these ones too. They didn't know that the coffee machine was gonna come with its own coffee capsule, so they also got me different ones. How thoughtful. There's quite a lot actually, so you can just put this ones back. I am excited to try it out and start using it. However, I do not have a space for them. Maybe I should use this table maybe, I don't know, but I would love to get a nice cute table for my coffee station. And yeah, fun fact is, in my city we don't have lint, and I really love lint, like I do. So when I saw it on my way back, I was like, you know what, I'm going to buy it. I'm gonna wash my vase and then some flowers. I can buy myself some flowers. Guys, I'm so tired. I just came back from Zegu. What an awesome time with my friends. Like, what a beautiful time. Oh. So my friends, I mean, see, they also got me cakes. So I have this cake from Paris Baguette. Guys, I'm a cake. Like, I have so many cakes. Yeah. But this morning I because Indy was here, so I just cut for her and Umeza. Because like there's a lot, and then I still have, this one too. Like, how am I? But this carrot cake is so nice, guys. It's a really nice shame. Like, it's so nice. I need to, I don't know. So yeah. It's been such a beautiful day, guys. Like, so beautiful. And wow, like, like, I am that one person who would choose, I know it sounds crazy, but I would choose my friends over anything, any day. Like, I would. The extra mile that my friends go for me, like, I've never seen people show up for me the way they do. And they're so consistent. Not because it's my birthday in real life, like real life situations. Oh. What? Guys, and yes, my Apple Watch is acting up and I'm so annoyed. Yes, sis. Anyway, hi my loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lolita K. Impondokazi. Oh, I haven't said that in such a while. I hope you guys are having a beautiful Sunday. Like, for the life of me, I am having a terrible day. Like, I don't know what's going on. I have no control of the day that I'm having. I woke up really, really late. First of all, I slept very late, like around 5. And guys, I couldn't get as much sleep as I would have wanted. So I woke up feeling dizzy, feeling heavy, feeling sluggish. My body was just so heavy. I took a shower, I sat down, tried to listen to some gospel. I did a bit of journaling, I did a bit of reading. It's not helping. So I'm just like, you know what? Go to the gym. Like, go to the gym. Like, I am going to the gym. So guys, I feel like the only thing that can help me get better and feel like myself is tiring my body out. Like, I'm going to the gym. Also because I couldn't really work out 4 or 5 days, because I want to work out 4 or 5 days in a week, because it was the time of the month and I don't really like going to the gym, you know. I did go first day because like we're good, but like on the second day I do not want to, because then it's going down. Okay, if you know, you know. So yeah, I am going to have a smoothie, and because I need energy. I also am going to be taking my energy booster, but like I can't take this on an empty stomach. Also, I don't feel good because I had green tea on an empty stomach. I like to have water with lemon on an empty stomach, but like I'm out of lemons, so I needed to go to the mart first, of which I'll go when I come back from the gym. So yeah, cheers guys. Maybe for someone it doesn't make sense why I would want to go to the gym, but I'm complaining that I'm tired. For me, this is how it goes. The gym gives me energy. I don't know if it makes sense, but like if my mood is down and my body is too tired, I know that I need to go to the gym. Also, I am not one person to spend Saturday and spend Sunday all indoors. I don't like doing that. One of the days I have to be outside, but last week I was out. I was busy with my friends, so I was just like, I'm gonna be indoors. That's where the problem was. I should have went to a cafe for like matcha and some bread, but I didn't, because I was like, I think I just want to be indoors. That's where it all went wrong. I should have told my face and went out for coffee. This is also good. Lately, I have been busy with a lot of things. I remember beginning of the year, there are things that I said I wanted, especially for my YouTube channel. Like, I'm setting a timeline. I'm giving myself a specific timeline. And it's safe to say that everything that you want is within your reach. Like if you have goals, all you need to do is to write down your goals and then take action for the things that you want. Like I've seen so much improvement for my YouTube channel from when I started saying at this specific period I want to be monetized, and what do I do to be monetized. Before, I usually posted once in a week. I shifted from posting once to posting twice, because then I knew that will help me grow my watch hour numbers. And guys, like, I'm not kidding, like I can see a lot of change. Like I see the difference. And thank you for watching. Hey, thank you for watching. Honestly, thank you for sharing, because like also YouTube as well, I can see that YouTube is also trying to push my videos. Shout out YouTube, shout out. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm not at that stage yet, but I can definitely say that before the year ends, I think will have come to a point where I have reached that goal, which was like a really short goal for me. And to see that, okay, I did put effort into this and I can see the rewards as well, is really beautiful. Another thing that I can see that it wants to blossom into something beautiful. I said this year I want to find love. So I think ikhona into ezayo, like but it's not confirmed, you know, but like okay, okay. Ukhona owakho ozayo. For me, like I would even skip to a part where sivele chat actually, because if uyandifuna nami ndiyakufuna masichathe bro, like yabo, like let's solidify things, because honestly dating, if siyafunana uyandifuna ndiyakufuna, sure, let's do it. You know, let's not waste each other's time now. Kuleti bafazi, kuleti, like it's insane. And yeah. Okay, let me stop here and get ready to go to the gym. yeah, and I also did some skincare. I'm sure you can see my face is glowing. I'll have dinner and then put on a mask and binge watch some series. I haven't had time to binge watch any K-drama lately because I am always on a call. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And today I plan to like sleep really early because tomorrow I have a gym. I'm not sure if I'll wake up and go run or I'll go to the gym. I don't know. But yeah. So yeah, Sunday is wrapped. See you guys Monday. And yeah, guys, I came back from the gym and I made dinner. I'm having mashed potatoes, creamy spinach, and some chicken and some juice. Also, my flowers. I can buy myself some flowers. They're dead. Oh, at least I am. I should. I don't want to throw them out, but like I should because I ziphelile ngoku. But anyway, I should go buy myself some flowers. I can buy myself some flowers. I love white roses and pink roses. And I'm not sure about this, what this is, but like with some baby breath. So I should take them out and buy new ones. And yeah, guys. This is what I'm currently watching. So it's so funny. And why draw yami ngabalekanga? I couldn't really watch the last episode yesterday, so I wanna watch it because I wasn't really paying attention to it actually. So it's so fun, you guys. Yes, I think from here. Buying a matcha this late is never a good idea.